first stall kick combo we did was where you're doing the extension like this, and then down, kick, reverse, and then you do the extension this way, and then you down, kick, reverse that way. I would suggest that the motion is a more sidewards than what you're doing. So it looks like you're doing it like this, where your toe is pointing forward and you're doing like a leg lift versus turnout, but maybe you don't turn out. I'm turning out, so I'm pointing my toe, and I feel like energetically it has me able to get up differently, like get up higher, but maybe your physiology doesn't work that way. You're crumpling through your midsection as you do the kick out to the side. That's what's different. You're doing this versus this. So you're not maintaining the length of the line of your body. One of the reasons I like the combination where you do 3, so you go 3, let's do it together. So 3, and then 2, and then 1, and then we'll kick on 4, or the next one here, the 4th one, and then we'll change the direction. One of the reasons I like that is so that you can get accustomed to the timing of it first, and you can feel. For me, how it feels is I start lifting my leg as I'm coming across the bottom. As I'm coming across the bottom. So 3, 2, 1, kick, lift, other way. I can't really see your leg, so maybe you're doing it. Kick, lift, and 2, 1, kick, lift, and then 3, 2, and 1, and kick, lift. Okay, I think that's a great combination. I definitely like it with the movement as well. I think it's even better when you add the traversing movement with it. So if you move all the way over to your right, yes. So we're gonna go to your left. I'm mirroring you. So we're here. We're gonna add the movement with it. So let's start with a regular size, and I'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Move it 3, 2, 1. Stall kick. We're gonna move the other way, and 3, 2, 1, and stall kick. Move the other way. 3, 2, 1. Stall kick, and 3, 2, 1. Stall kick, and then 3, and 2, and 1, and stall kick, and 3, and 2, and 1, and stall kick. Last set, going both ways. 3, and 2, and 1, and stall kick. Other way. 3, and 2, and 1, and stall kick, and down.